In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. New update in 2023. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded and that you are on the page where you want to create the shortcut, or at least ready to access the feature inside the browser. Once Chrome is open, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. Click on Add Shortcut to continue. When you select this option, Chrome will begin the shortcut creation process. As you go through this, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct page or shortcut option. If Chrome shows a prompt or small pop-up window, read the information on the screen carefully before confirming. One helpful tip is to keep your Chrome window clear and easy to navigate before you start. If you have many tabs open, it can sometimes make it harder to spot the option right away. A clean browser window can make this process smoother and faster. After that, Chrome should complete the action and create the shortcut for you. Once it is added, you can use that shortcut for quicker access whenever you need it. That covers everything you need to know.